Hola, amigos. Hey, what's going on? Look at all this interaction. You see this? Look at me and you locked in. What? Hope for the best. I hope you guys are getting good stuff, man. Boom, bada boom, bada boom. What is it? Fungus? Among Us? Bungus? Ivy? You look so happy for such an ugly guy. What's your forehead looking like, brother? That's crazy. I respect your happiness. Pokeball? Pokeball. Yeah, Victini. You know, I'm gonna take Victini as like a good omen, right? Because like if you show up and I don't get something good, brother, what are you doing here? I'm not victorious at all. Make me mad. It's my son Ant. He's adorable. Trash. Mm-hmm. Sure. Pokeball. Mm. I like the Pokeballs though. I'll keep those. Those are fire. Oh, okay. Look at that pack and nothing to open. There you go. Nobody look at that chandelier. Oh, it's the big uggo. He crusty. We saw you. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Whoo! Look at that monkey. Exorcist. Such a good monkey. What a good day.